Do things because you are doing the will of God. So the kingdom of heaven comes here, not the religion of heaven. He never taught the religion. He taught the kingdom of heaven. Kile kinachofanyika kule binguni, kwenye ufalme wa binguni, kiteremke kifanyike hapa. Hakuambia yale maombi yanafanyika kule binguni. The religion that is in heaven, no. He taught of the kingdom. Our Father being king. So whatever that we are supposed to do is do as per the kingdom. And that was the teaching of Jesus Christ. Wherever he went, he proclaimed the kingdom. Whatever he did, he proclaimed the kingdom. Whatever he said, it was about the kingdom, but not a religion. But when we speak God, we don't speak God through religion. We speak God through what? The kingdom. Because God is a king. And the kingdom says that he will give, in the book of Isaiah 45, that I'll give you treasures. So treasures, kingdom, religion does not have treasures, but the kingdom has. God is the owner of silver and gold. Silver and gold is not related to religion. It's related to what? The kingdom. The God is the owner of the earth and the heavens. Ownership of the earth and the heavens, it does not belong to religion, but belongs to a king. And this king is God. So when you discover a church like this one, instead of you looking for God, you are looking for me. And that's why I've normally been fighting this. Admire to meet me when I'm here. Because when I'm here, there is a particular presence. When I get out of here, nikienda kule kwa ofisi, nitaenda nipumzike, maybe I will switch off from what I was here. So I will not be able properly to give you a better deal than here. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Kupandishwa pole pole mpaka wakati utasimama uko na ushahidi na uko na ushuhuda wa watu watasimama watasema indeed huyu ako na Mungu.